everybody trying to stick to the low line.
My second night ever being out in the car, ever being out in a race car.
You're going to want to stay tuned for this episode. It's going to be awesome. We got some racing action with my buddy and co-worker, Brandon. So stick around. It's going to be a good one. Here we go. So I love racing. In fact, I raced for 10 years, and it's in my blood. It's absolutely one of my favorite things in life. And so when I found out that Brandon was going to be racing, I was thrilled that he asked me to do the painting, the lettering, and the pinstriping on his race car. So this was our opportunity to go watch Brandon race for the first time in his rookie season, and to be out there watching him do hot laps during the daytime, the heat race, and then finally at nighttime we're going to be watching some of the footage from the feature that he was in. And we're so proud of this guy. It's so fun to watch him getting some experience, some valuable seat time, to see him go out there and do his best. It's a lot of fun. you guys probably already recognize Brandon, but he's the driver of truck number 8, the Kenworth in our company at Brian Bulow Trucking. And Brandon, this is your like first year racing modifieds,
Yep,
right?
this is my second night ever being out in the car, ever being out in a race car, so
that's awesome.
pretty exciting. Yeah.
How many laps have you put on so far? Like, I mean, counting tonight, I think it was a 13 lap feature, and then like 5-lap heat, things like that.
Yep, man, that's about the same last week, and I put in probably 20 practice laps before that, between hot laps and one practice day before all this.
Yeah, that's awesome, man. Now, do you have any racing experience before this, or is this your like first race car that you've ever had, or first time you've ever driven?
Nothing on paper. Yeah, they didn't catch me on the roads, but
that is a great answer. I love it. So obviously you got a little bit banged up tonight, but it's really nothing. It's mostly cosmetic, right? I mean, the car's really not.
It happens. I mean, half the cars out here pretty tore up. It was a rough track, and there wasn't much of a lane to run out there.
Yep.
Everybody's just doing what they can to drive clean, but it happens.
What they say?
We got a busy week in the shop.
And rubbing is racing, right? Yep. So if you're not swapping paint, then you're not doing it right.
Yeah. 8 wheels are faster than 4 around the corner.
Awesome. All right. Well, it was a thrill to paint this car for you, and I told you
I messed it all up.
No, to me that's part of the fun of having something like this is we can pound it out and we can always fix it, and you know it's just a little bit of paint and some sheet metal, and you keep going. You had fun. You stayed safe.
Yeah.
And
Just added our little personal patina on it.
Yeah, that's right. Well, we're proud of you, and it was a thrill and a lot of fun to watch you race tonight.
Yeah,
and,
it was great having you guys out here. I really appreciate all the help.
We're proud to be a part of it. Awesome. We're proud of you, bud. All right. Thank you. Everybody, be sure and check out some more episodes. We got other nights that Brandon's going to be racing here this summer, so it's going to be a good time. So stick around. Thanks for watching the Flannel Channel, and peace and grease. Yeah, man.